Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find password and security. Here in this section we have to tap on the fingerprint, and we've got the very first information. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will pass it and just go to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, so add the lock screen. It is important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let's tap on continue. And as you can see, here we've got 3 different options. So we've got the numeric option, pattern, or alphanumeric. I will pick the pattern. Let me draw the pattern, redraw it, and we do not have to confirm, fortunately. Here we've got the tips, which means that which says actually that if you've got any kind of screen protector, it may affect the fingerprint sensor. So as you can see, the sensor is here, so it is on the screen, and basically all we have to do right now is to simply put our finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. Now we have to enroll, let's say, our finger, so just add the corners and another places of our fingerprint, let's say. Alright, as you can see, it's done. If you want to, you can add another fingerprint. If not, just tap on done. I don't want to set the face unlock. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the fingerprint section, fingerprint settings. We can add fingerprint right now. Here we can tap on the finger, actually not tap, but tap on the 3 dots icon here. As you can see, we can rename it or remove it. It's up to you. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So the screen unlock option is defaultly active. Of course, you can turn it off if you want to. You can use it also for the app lock or private safe. Here you've got the quick launch, the fingerprint animation, and you can decide if you want to show the fingerprint icon. I will leave it like this. Maybe I will change the animation. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. So I'm sure that you will find something interesting. I think I will stick with this one, whatever. Okay, so we can go back and let me check if it is working. So let's lock the device, and we should see the fingerprint sensor. And as you can see, it is visible, so let's put the finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.